Sanibonani guys. I hope guys niyaphila. Mina angiphilanga, angikho right. Guys, uMakamu waze wasenzela phansi. Nangu uMakamu guys wasenzela phansi guys. Usilethele ibox eli wrong. Mayiceda lapho akaphendula ama-phone like guys sisebuhlungweni kukumanje ibhokisi lijikile. Because angeke sikwazi ukuthi sifihle umama ngale bhokisi asilethele lona. Ngapha liyaqhaqheka. Guys, i-service kaMakamu very poor.
Hello. Siphatheke kabi siwumndeni, siphatheke kabuhlungu. uMakamu ngendlela senze ngayo usenzela idrama, sibukise ngomphakathi. I-service yakhe is very poor. Sibhlungu siwumndeni, abantu balindile already nale box balilethile. Belethe late. It was supposed to come on 9 o'clock. Lona lifikela ngesikhathi sayo. And then right now
Don't give up, my sisters. Not Bella Iberton. How mama ya Shem? Yeah, no mama Shem. Yeah? Now I'm going to pause. I'll tell mama. Imagine I know I'm supposed to film a sweet.
Yo guys, this is Kwazi T. Nangu Makamu ubuya namzimba all wrong. What? Really? This is so embarrassing for his business. I hope he really gets a lesson from this and just does his services better in future. Jeez.